さんこんにちは。経典会リクルートチャンネルです。今回は職員紹介第2弾をお届けします。最後に超大物スペシャルゲストの方よりメッセージもいただきました。ぜひ最後までご覧ください。それではスタート。職場の雰囲気を教えてください。
The atmosphere at work is often dynamic and demanding, but also incredibly rewarding. You will know how important of teamwork in this field. We relied on each other for support, both professionally and emotionally, to ensure that all residents receive the care they needed. Communication was also a key aspect of the environment. This collaborative approach ensured that everyone is informed and working towards the same goals. While the work can be stressful at times, I learned to manage stress by prioritizing tasks, taking breaks when possible, and practicing self-care. Overall, I found the atmosphere in nursing care to be one of the compassion, dedication, and teamwork.
経典会で働く魅力ややりがいを教えてください。
I'm drawn to nursing care because it offers a unique opportunity to make a tangible difference in people's lives. For example, during my work at Tatae, I had the privilege of spending time with a resident named Mr. K. He was often withdrawn and seemed too distant to everybody. I made a point of visiting him regularly, listening to his stories, and even spend time with him together with other staff, playing his favorite game called Mahjong. Seeing the joy that brought him, the spark in his eyes, was incredibly rewarding. And it informs my belief in the power of human connection and the importance of providing compassionate care. I was particularly impressed by Ketenkai's commitment to resident well-being and its focus on creating supportive working environment. I believe my values align perfectly with your mission, and I'm confident I can make valuable contribution to your team. Tatai wa saiko desu.
鹿児島の好きな場所を教えてください。
My favorite sightseeing spot is Sakurajima. And when the weather is good or nice, when I want to go outside, I took a walk or ride a bicycle around the area.
最後にあの方々からゲイルさんへメッセージ。
はい。ゲイルさんの、印象なんですけど、最初彼女たちを受け入れるときに不安もあったんですけど、実際来てみたら、彼女たちの明るさ、それからハングリー精神、それをすごく肌で感じることができました。もちろんご利用者さんにも対してですけど、スタッフにも明るく接する職場がね、とっても明るい雰囲気に、なることができました。ありがとうございます。以上。ハッピーライフ、ハッピーホーム、ゲルさん、こんにちは。松平武史です。ゲルさんが働き始めて、職場の雰囲気、それからみんなの笑顔、たくさん増えたと思っています。いつも感謝しています。いろいろ大変なこともあるけど、これからも日本で頑張ってください。オーレイ！
松平武史さん、ご出演ありがとうございました。
優しいよ。だけど一言いいですか。一言。普段は賑やかなのに忘年会の挨拶で緊張してる人がいるんですよ。
なに？やきまったな。
それではみんな元気に乾杯。じゃんじゃんです。
最後までご視聴ありがとうございました。チャンネル登録と高評価もぜひお願いします。